Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So yesterday you finished your pre-write. That was the one-sided multiflow on the Maya, Aztec, or Inca, and that is located on assignment 4.1. So that means today you are ready to take the written portion of your exam. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to open up assignment 4.1. That's the pre-write that you completed yesterday. So you have this open. Yours obviously is filled out, mine is not. This was my example from yesterday. You're going to go back to Google Classroom, and you are going to open this assignment right here. It says the Americas Test, written response. And now that you have this open, you're going to, or what I like to do is I like to split my screen. When I know that I'm going to be using two different tabs, I like to split my screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this tab down by clicking and dragging it down, and then I'm going to pull that one over here to the right, and now I can use this tab, assignment 4.1, and I have them both up side by side. So I have all of my evidence here, and I have my claim, and now I'm ready to write. So you fill in, obviously what period you have, your name, and then you move on to the actual question itself. And here it is. So you're going to use this response to answer this question here. Which civilization was the most advanced? You must support your answer with with specific evidence. You must choose just one civilization. So you're going to use the information over here to write one paragraph that answers the question, which civilization do you think was the most advanced? Alright, I hope that helped. If you have any questions at all, you can either respond to today's Flipgrid or you can shoot me an email. Okay, good luck. Talk to you soon. Bye.